In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a task you no longer need and how to repeat the process quickly if you want to clear out a few more. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or in the app, whichever you normally use. Give it a moment to load your workspace so you're looking at the space, folder, or list where your tasks live. If you work across multiple spaces, make sure you're in the right one before moving on. This helps prevent accidental deletions in the wrong area. Next, locate the specific task you want to delete. You can scroll through your list or board view, or use the search bar at the top to type the task name or a keyword you remember. Take a second to confirm you've got the correct task by checking its title and any quick details you can see, like due dates or assignees. It's worth pausing here. Deleting the wrong task can disrupt your team's workflow. Once you've found the task, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Depending on your view, this will appear on the right side of the task row in List View or on the task card in Board View. Click the three dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, select Delete. ClickUp may ask you to confirm the deletion. This is a safeguard to make sure you truly want to remove the task. Read the prompt, then confirm. After you confirm, the task will be removed from that view. In many workspaces, deleted tasks are either permanently removed or sent to a trash area based on your team's settings. If you don't see the delete option, it could be because your permissions are limited. In that case, you may need to ask a workspace owner or admin for help. If you prefer to delete one more task, simply repeat the same process. Open your workspace area, find the task you want gone, click the three dots, and choose Delete. Working methodically, verifying each task before confirming, keeps your space tidy without removing anything important. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, locate the exact task, click the three dots, select Delete, and repeat as needed. With this simple routine, you'll keep your task list focused on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and feel free to run through these steps anytime you need to quickly clean up your workspace.